Applications of atomic absorption spectroscopy. The estimation of heavy metals or the major and the trace elements with the help of atomic absorption spectroscopy is of more importance. In case of quantitative analysis, the clinical samples, environmental samples, pharmaceuticals, industrial samples, mining samples, and herbal drug formulations can be analyzed by atomic absorption spectroscopy. The presence of toxic metals and trace elements present in the biological fluids like blood and urine can be analyzed. Whereas in case of environmental samples, the heavy metal monitoring can be carried out. The presence of toxic metals like arsenic, lead, cadmium, they can be monitored in environmental samples like waters, effluents, and also in food products like beer, wine, packed food products which are available in the market. Whereas in case of pharmaceutical industries, many of the metals, for example cadmium, they are used as catalyst during the manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients. So these concentrations or the content of the heavy metal after the use of catalyst can be monitored in pharmaceuticals. And also pharmaceuticals like digestive aids which are available in the market, they can also be analyzed for the presence of aluminum and magnesium, and also IV solutions which contains electrolytes like sodium, potassium, calcium, they can also be analyzed. Whereas in case of industry, metal monitoring is important, especially in concretes. The calcium can be estimated, and also the toxic metals which may be present in the industrial effluents, for example lead, some environmental samples like gasolines. In all these things, the toxic metals can also be analyzed in industry. Whereas in case of mining samples, the composition of the rocks, the metal composition of the mine solids can also be analyzed. Herbal drug analysis. Here, the presence of heavy metals like arsenic, lead, cadmium, nickel, magnesium, or copper can be analyzed in the herbal formulations, which pose a great threat nowadays.